Hi, GenderBlenders. It's Stephie, and this is week 92. And this is just a follow-on, just a real quick follow-on from last week's thing. And I just wanted to let you guys know what I went for Halloween, because it is now Halloween that I'm recording this video at. And I decided to go as a punk rocker, so complete with the fishnet stockings and the mini skirt and the wig and the new look for me. But I thought I would do that. And now the kitty decided she's going to be in the picture too. There we go. So this week's topic was there ever any topic about life insurance? Is there any difference in prices before and after? Any complications changing or getting insurance? Interesting topic, and because I've spent a reasonable amount of time changing all my name and gender information over the last several months, I actually have some information on this topic. So I changed my name, I changed my gender on all my insurances, and for me, the insurances in general, there's several companies involved. I have life insurance through one agency, personal. I have home and property insurance and car insurance with another agency. And then I have health insurance through work. So basically, I'll cover all of those topics in today's video. Life insurance, because that's the specific topic. Was there ever any topic about life insurance? Any difference in prices before and after? Any complications in changing? Bottom line is there was actually no complications whatsoever in life insurance. I was warned by my agent that the rates may go up, they may go down ever so slightly when I changed my name and gender. As it turns out, for life insurance, there was absolutely no difference whatsoever. Rates remained exactly the same as they were before. I had no complications. The agent just put in the change. I had to show my court-ordered name change to prove indeed that was indeed true. And I did show my driver's license, which showed my new gender. And that's all that I needed to do. For life insurance. For car insurance, that is through a different agency, and my car insurance rates was actually a simpler process. All I had to do is say, yeah, I changed my name and my gender, and they took my word for it. So I didn't have to send any additional forms for that. Lo and behold, my car insurance rates actually got just a little bit lower. Now, my son is also on my car insurance rates, and that since he's 23 and male, that's kind of prime collision rates. So, lo and behold, the rates were still pretty high. And had it been only me on there, the rates would have gone down substantially. As it was, they went down just ever so slightly because they're kind of predominated by the other stuff. So car insurance rate actually got a little bit lower. Health insurance. Although my health has gotten substantially better, generally for health insurance, you're generally on some sort of corporate rate. And me is no exception. My corporate rate at work didn't change one way or the other. You see, at corporate rate, I have the following options that show up as different rates that come out of my paycheck. Part of it's subsidized by the company. Part of it's subsidized by me. But my options are myself plus spouse. Notice the wording there. Myself plus spouse. And in our company, that doesn't matter whether that's me as a female with a male spouse, with a female spouse, or somebody else as a male with a female spouse, or a male spouse. Doesn't matter. Myself plus children, so that's the third option, or myself plus spouse plus children. And so that's the four alternatives that I have. Since my son is now too old to be on my health insurance at work, as it turns out, I ended up with myself as the option. And myself didn't matter whether I was male or female. When I had IEEE insurance as well as my work insurance, the rates were independent of gender. What happened, the reason I dropped my IEEE insurance is the rates just got absolutely out of hand. Every year they kept increasing and increasing and increasing. And after a while it was getting to be several $1,000s a year for insurance. And I figured that's no bargain, because I was not getting anywhere near that in benefits in any event, so I dropped that insurance. That's my own axe to grind, but that's a different issue. But anyway, the rates were independent of gender, so it didn't really matter on health insurance one way or the other, apparently. Homeowners insurance, again, that's through the same agency that covers my car insurance. And there was no change one way or the other. I don't think they care who owns the dang house. It's the house that counts. So the property insurance is a function of the property itself. And that includes not only the property, includes the property, the house. It includes various and sundry stuff, like my computers and my electronic equipment is covered under that and things like that, because I do maintain a lab here at home. So all of that stuff is covered under my homeowner's insurance. Nevertheless, didn't matter. So for insurances, yeah, it can change. Like I say, the life insurance could have, like I say, my agent said, could have gone up one or could have gone down. As it turns out, it didn't change at all. Car insurance went down. Apparently, these wild female drivers are actually safer for some reason or other. So my car insurance actually rates got lower. Health insurance didn't matter. So those are some of the insurance topics. So this is Stephie. That's my take on it for this week. And that's actually relatively recent information. All of that stuff I changed within the last several months. I started doing it at realistically about April of this year and finished it up probably about August of this year. So over that period of time is when I changed all the insurances over. If you folks remember, one of the things that we talked about at the beginning of last year was what are your New Year's resolutions? And I said to change all my stuff over. Well, this was part of it. And part of that is changing all the insurance over. So I had to go through that, so I thought I would just pass along all that information as it was. So anyway, I hope that has been entertaining. In another couple hours, all the trick-or-treaters will start to show up for Halloween Eve. That's what it is here. This is Stephie saying, until next week, bye-bye, everyone.